Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to take a look today at the Supersolid DT-001 keyboard as well as the Gemini One Mouse. Now the keyboard at first glance, the box doesn't look very great and it doesn't need to be, because what's inside is actually pretty awesome, and that's the thing I like about the brand. It doesn't need to be super flashy or anything like that. It's what's inside that matters. And this is basically a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard, which is firstly hot swappable. It has a hot swappable PCB board, which basically means you can swap out the switches to get different textures or feels that you want further down the line. But it does come with some already pre-installed switches, and there are 3 options for you. So first of all, we have the Carl Box White, which is the tactile and clicky switches. We also have the Carl Box Brown, which is the tactile, as well as the Carl Box Red, which is the linear switches. So here's a soundbite of the Carl Box White tactile clicky switches. And here's a soundbite of the Carl Box Red linear switches. Now to me, I like the linear switches a lot more. It gives me a lot more of a talky feeling, and I like the feedback it feels, but it's honestly up to you. But like I said, if you want, you can always switch out these switches. There is a hot swappable PCB board inside, which gives you lots of options and infinite possibilities. Now the keyboard has a couple of nice RGB colors at the back, and there's almost an infinite number of combinations. Okay, not infinite, but I lost count along the way. And basically you have these 2 different settings that you can switch. First of all, you can switch the different colors and set the color that you want. There's a range of different colors as well as a multicolored option. And once you've selected the color that you like, you can then go on to the next setting, which is to select the preset or the pattern that you want these colors to go in. And like I said, I got kind of lost in it because there are just so many patterns and I couldn't find where I started with. But basically there's a lot to choose from, and it's honestly pretty awesome. So another thing about this keyboard is that they do come in some limited edition colors. These limited edition colors includes the Dreamcore edition, which I have in front of me, as well as the Dawn edition, the Dusk edition, as well as the Midnight edition. Now what I have with me today is the Dreamcore edition, and it comes in this very nice purple pastel color. Now by default, the keycaps are double shot keycaps, which makes it really premium and long lasting. It's different from the keycaps which have printed letters on it. Those kind of wear out after a while and it's not very durable. Another thing I also like about the keycaps is that it is a sandblasted texture, which gives it a very nice matte feeling with a bit of texture on it, which makes it really nice to use. So to sum up the DT-001 keyboard, this is their first keyboard that Supersolid has released, and it's honestly great. I think it has a lot of potential for new users who want to get into the mechanical keyboard game, and kind of gives you the flexibility to switch out the switches, the keycaps, and customize it the way you want. So it's a really good starting platform for people who want to get into keyboard building. Now, like I said, coupled with that, we also have the Gemini One Mouse. This is a wired gaming mouse. Now, I understand that, we might be all looking into a wireless option these days, and I do hope that a wireless version of this Gemini One does come out. The whole design, I think, is pretty unique. First of all, it has some interchangeable backing covers, which gives you either an open air back, which gives your palm a lot more ventilation, or you can choose the traditional closed back ones if you are more comfortable with that. Now the really interesting thing about this mouse is that inside the mouse there's actually weights that you can remove and adjust and kind of customize the weight of the mouse to your liking. For me personally, I like my mouse to be heavy. I like to feel the weight of it. It gives me a sense of control when I'm using it. But if you're someone who likes something lighter, maybe you're traveling or you want something that's just portable, then you can just remove all the weights and convert it to a very lightweight mouse. Another customizable part of the mouse is that you can switch out the side switches with these blanks, allowing you to choose which side of the mouse you want the thumb buttons to be on. This makes the mouse ambidextrous and a great solution for left-handed users. The other thing with this mouse is that it also comes with RGB colors. I mean, what's a gaming mouse without some colors, right? And there's about 9 lighting presets already installed in this mice. You can cycle through them using the button at the bottom of the mouse and find the one that suits you the most. Now honestly, like the keyboard, I wasn't expecting much from this mouse, but after using it for about a week, I really do enjoy using it. It feels really good under my hands, and the fact that I can customize both these peripherals to the way I like it, it's pretty incredible. So if you guys are interested in the products, I'll leave all the links in the description below. Do leave any questions you have in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them. But if you guys enjoyed this video, do give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.